Good morning, students. This video is for the students who opted economics as a subject in class 9th. This is for chapter 1, Introduction to Economics. Before explaining this chapter, students, I want to say that in this chapter or in other chapters also in future, we will study only the content which is given in your syllabus, which is decided by the council. Here, if you see Introduction to Economics, this is the first chapter. You see, this is the first chapter, Introduction to Economics. In this chapter, we will discuss about the definition of economics, which are some important definitions are given by Adam Smith, Robbins, Keynes, and Samuelson. And after that, we will discuss about the micro and macroeconomics. Here we will discuss only meaning of the above given, difference, and examples only. After that, we will discuss in this chapter types of activities. We all know that in our daily daily working, we do many kind of activities, like it may be the economic or it may be the non-economic activities. So here in this topic, we will discuss about the types of activities. Here we will cover meaning and examples, and then difference between economic and non-economic activities. So after that, we will discuss about the sectors in an economy. And students, here we have to concentrate only on those topics which are given in the syllabus only, not more than that. Here the sectors in an economy are primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector. So here we will discuss meaning and examples along with the differences. After that, if we see here, the fifth topic of this chapter is basic economic terms. Basic economic terms. This topic is related to the chapter 2. So we will discuss about these topics later on. So here I am going to start about the chapter 1 only. Chapter 1, the name of the chapter 1 is Introduction to Economics, where we have to cover, first of all, we have to cover definitions of economics. For this, students, I have already made some notes for you people to understand it in a better way. Here you can see the economics. Page 1 is written here. Chapter 1, Introduction to Economics. Definitions of economics. If we talk about the definitions of economics, the first definition is wealth definition given by Adam Smith. If we talk about the economics, what is economics? Economics is actually, in general, if we talk about the economics, it is economics is the study of all activities related to money, business, industry, and trade in a country. But here, according to the different scholars, different economics are given at the different times. So, dear students, here in this chapter, we shall discuss the major definitions of economics, which are the part of your syllabus. So here we see the first definition is wealth definition. According to wealth definition, the proper subject of economics is nation's wealth only. Adam Smith assumed that only a wealthier nation can make its citizens happier. He also said economics studies the nature of wealth and the causes that increase the wealth. Here we see that Adam Smith emphasizing the concentration, or you can say emphasizing on wealth, nation's wealth. Wealth means not only money, property, gold. It means the valuable resources or the things which can be utilized for further production of the money. Means the things which have the value are counted as the wealth of the nation. So according to Adam Smith, if any country or any means production house has valuable resources or wealth, then it can make the people happier by satisfying their wants. I hope you are understanding. Now, here is a question: what is wealth? The term wealth means money, property, gold, etc. But I have already told you, students, in economics it is used to describe all things that have value. Now the another important question related to this definition is, name the book written by Adam Smith. And so the answer is An Inquiry into the Nature and Causes of Wealth of Nations. This book was written by Adam Smith in the year of 1776. After that, the next important question is, who is known as father of economics? Here, Adam Smith is known as father of economics. Now students, I am going to explain the second definition of this chapter, that is scarcity definition. This definition is given by Robbins. According to Robbins, economics is the science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means which have alternative uses. So here, before understanding this definition, students, we have to understand, that is the need to understand, what is the means of scarcity. Means of scarcity or scarce means that the things which are very less available on the earth or in a country, wherever we are going to discuss. So if we use these scarce things in a better way and be able to satisfy the needs of the, or you can say wants of the humans, then the economics is economics is able to describe its own. So here, and before understanding it, I also want to explain one thing, that the wants of a human being are unlimited, but the resources are limited to satisfy the wants of the people. So here we have to Robbins is emphasizing on the valuable goods to utilize them in a better way. I hope you understand. Now the important question related to this this definition is given. Name the book written by Robbins, An Essay on the Nature and Significance of Economic Science. This is the name of the book which is written by Sir Robbins. The next important question related to this definition is, what is the central idea in Robbins' definition? So the central idea of Robbins' definition is scarcity of valuable resources or economic problem. So here I'm going to finish the second definition, which is given by the Robbins. Now the next one is growth definition, and this growth definition is given by Paul Samuelson. According to Samuelson, economics is study to show, or you can say to understand, how man and society use scarce means, I have already told, very less productive resources to produce various commodities means goods, and distribute them for final consumption now and in the future among various people and groups of society, with or without the use of money. Here, according to Samuelson, we are in need to understand that economics is the study where we try to understand how the man, or you can say the businessman or the society, can utilize the productive resources to convert them in the useful goods or commodities which we use, or the people use as the consumers for their daily needs. So this definition is also cleared here.